Okay, so this is a 2011 Chevy Malibu. I don't see why everybody on YouTube saying that you can't take the fan, the radiator fan out from the front. I just got it out. See, here it comes out. Comes out right there. All I did, throttle body out. The hose for the transmission, it's right here. And for this radiator, the upper hose, I took it off and it's out. Now I gotta go buy a new one. Alright. Okay, so we went to go buy it at AutoZone and it looks like the same part. Everything's the same. So we're gonna go put it on there. And like I said, we didn't have to take the front off or anything. And I'm gonna put it the same way we took it off. Just make sure that the radiator is not damaged. Make sure that other, if you want to do it easier for you, you just gotta take the radiator hose up here, but I'm not taking it off. You just gotta wiggle it in there and just move it around. Get it closer. You have to move it around. And it goes in there. And once you have it in there, all it is you just gotta make sure that it sits right there on the clips, because that's all it is, just clips. Make sure that you have this one out of the way. It sits, which is your transmission foot. It's almost in there. Already clipped on there. Already clipped on there. We have it on there now. And all we gotta do is put this hose on there. This little clip is the one for your transmission hose. This is the one that you don't want to. I took it off with this. So all I gotta do is just put it back in there. Make sure I have everything else on there. Okay. Here's the little clip. All you gotta do is push it in and make sure it's right there on the groove. Once it's in the groove, just push it in there and it's in there already. And like I said, I took it off with this flat scoop little driver. I took it off, I went in there and I just popped it off, and it's already in there. Everything's clipped on there. So all we gotta do is plug everything back in. Plug everything in. Okay, and like I said, this one only has four bolts, 10 millimeters. That's all it is. We're gonna put it back on there. Make sure that you do these ones by hand first, all of them. You have them by hand on, and then you don't want to do it super tight. It's plastic, and I never disconnected it, so you just want to do it by hand. That's all you want to do. That's it. Have it installed. If you want to make it easier to take it off, you also want to remove that radiator hose. And like I said, the line for the transmission, the little clip, try not to lose it. And if you can, you want to put the clip first. The little clip that goes on the transmission line, you're going to put it on there first. And then you want to press the line in there. Once the line goes in there, you can hear the click on there, then you're good. And then try to pull it out to see if it comes out. If not, then you're good. But yeah, I don't know. Everybody else wants to remove everything in the front, but this is a 2011 Malibu, Chevy Malibu, the LTC. I just, like I said, it took me about maybe 30 minutes to an hour to take it out, put it in there. Good luck, everybody.